Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair your Encok W04 with Android smartphone. So in order to do this, first we'll need to enter the pairing mode on our headphones. So simply open the lid like that. Now let's refresh available devices. And as you can see, we can connect our device right here. But first, in order to get into the Bluetooth on your Android smartphone, you'll need to scroll down your toolbar and here locate the Bluetooth. Now hold your finger onto it and that way you open Bluetooth settings. Now in order to connect, click on Baseus Encok and then pair. Click OK and that device will be paired with your smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.